Hey everybody, I cannot believe today is the launch of the 8th Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. This month's theme is called Moon Landing, and it is inspired by all the phases and colors of our beautiful moon. Now here's the thing about the Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. They don't fill it with leftover stock or things that they can't get rid of like other subscription bead boxes. Everything in this subscription bead box is beautifully curated and handpicked to match the theme of each month. John Bead's goal is to inspire you to be the best crafter that you can possibly be. Are you ready to jump into Moon Landing? Let's see what's inside.
Okay, here we go. In every box, there's a postcard with the month's theme and an inspiring story on the back to set the mood. The first thing I'm drawn to are these 4 strands of blue faceted rondelles. I love pearl knotting, and these beads are inspiring me to try it again. This tube has glass crystals, beautiful hearts, and faceted rondelle glass. This big bag is filled with pressed glass beads, frosted hearts, silver spacers, and light blue crystal rondelles. This stunning purple mix of check glass includes silver fire polished rounds, lavender glass ovals, purple nuggets, and big chunky milky glass beads. I'm definitely gonna knot a strand with this mix. Here's a mix of jet and opaque glass beads. I love the large gray pearlized glass and the small bronze ovals. Here's a glass wire trap pendant and nylon beading cord with earring wires, jump rings, and a lobster claw closure. In this bag, we have a wonderful mix of topaz and gold check glass beads. These resin sew-on peacock rhinestones would look amazing on a Mardi Gras mask. These rhinestone earrings are simple. They could be worn alone, or you could add a strand of crystals to them, up to you. This mix has check glass in jet blue and iris colors and includes flower-shaped beads and a big 8mm round hematite finish bead that looks like a mysterious moon. I love that John Bead includes seed beads. Here we have transparent with a stripe, a purple rainbow, and pearl luster that look just like little pearls. I already have an idea for this sapphire crystal lane DIY teardrop. Here we have opalescent glass beads and cornflower blue cabochons that look just like they're glowing, just like the moon. This mix of jet fire polish beads and glass rings has a beautiful oil slick look with purples, bronzes, blues, and teals when the light hits them just right. Of course, we have an extra sticker and the monthly collectible button. And just for fun, I separated the holographic sequins, and I'm definitely using them in an art journal or stitching them to my next Halloween costume. Okay, here are my knotted pieces using the sapphire teardrop and the 6mm rondelles, and the purple check glass mix was the perfect mix for knotting too. This is such a beautiful box, and I think it really evokes all the phases of our beautiful moon.
I'm gonna leave a link to John Bead and this subscription bead box. You wanna jump in soon because they sell out quickly. And I know you're gonna love Moon Landing.